Hey everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. If you've been wondering how to fix PUBG voice chat issue on iPhone, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through two simple methods that can get your mic and voice chat working again in no time. First, let's check your in-game voice chat settings. This is often where the problem starts, and adjusting a few options can make all the difference. Open the PUBG Mobile app on your iPhone. Tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right corner to open the main menu. Now tap on Settings to access your game preferences. Next, tap on Graphics and Audio from the list on the right. Then tap on the Audio tab to view sound-related options. Scroll down until you find the Voice Chat section. Make sure the microphone level is set to maximum so your voice can be heard clearly. Also, set the speaker level to maximum to ensure you can hear your teammates. Enable the pre-made voice toggle if you want to use quick voice messages during the game. Now check your mic in the game lobby or a match to see if the issue is resolved. If that didn't solve the problem, try offloading and reinstalling the app. This clears corrupted data without deleting your game progress. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General to access system settings. Then tap iPhone Storage to view all installed apps. Search for PUBG Mobile in the list and tap on it. Tap Offload App to remove the app but keep its data. Confirm again by tapping Offload. Once that's done, tap Reinstall App to download a fresh version. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful iPhone fixes.